You do not need talent to speak English. You only need 10 minutes a day and the right method. Today, I will show you how anyone can learn English easily, step by step, without stress. This lesson is for beginners. This lesson is for shy speakers. This lesson is for people who think English is hard. English is not hard. The way we learn English is wrong. Let us fix that today. Part 1. The biggest problem in learning English. Most learners do the same mistake. They think in their first language. Then they translate into English. Then they speak. This process is slow. This process creates fear. This process breaks confidence. Fluent speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. And today, you will learn how to do that. Part 2. The Golden Rule. The rule is simple. Do not learn English with grammar books first. Do not memorize long word lists. Do not worry about mistakes. Instead, learn English like a child. Children do not study grammar. Children listen. Children imagine. Children repeat. You will do the same. Part 3. The daily 10-15-minute method. You need only one small topic every day. Today's topic is daily morning routine. Sit comfortably. Relax your mind. Breathe slowly. Now listen and imagine the action. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I leave my house. Do not translate. Only imagine. Your brain learns faster with pictures. Part 4. Speaking practice. Now speak slowly. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. Do not worry about pronunciation. Do not stop if you make a mistake. Mistakes are part of learning. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Speak daily. Part 5. Thinking in English all day. This is the secret part. When you are doing something, talk in English in your mind. When you drink water, say, I am drinking water. When you walk, say, I am walking. When you sit, say, I am sitting. This is silent practice. No one can hear you. No one can judge you. This builds confidence naturally. Part 6. Expanding sentences. Now let us make sentences longer. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. I eat breakfast at home. I go to work on time. You do not need new words. Use simple words again and again. Repetition creates fluency. Part 7. Daily challenge. Every day, choose one topic. Morning routine, office work, shopping, eating food, using a phone, going outside. Practice for 10 to 15 minutes. That is enough. Consistency is more important than time. Part 8. Motivation. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. People understand simple English. Confidence matters more than grammar. If you practice daily, your brain will change. English will feel natural. Speaking will feel easy. Ending call to action. Start today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. 10 minutes today can change your English. Practice daily. Think in English. Speak without fear. Your English journey starts now.